Hey, what's up, y'all? Back at it again with a box from my new favorite shoe company, COMUNITYmade. So I bought these, I guess about a week and a half ago, right? Changing perspectives from me to we on the sticker going across the box. But I bought these about a week and a half ago, and as you know, they handcrafted shoes, so they had to be made, and it was in their new fall colorway for a shoe. I probably won't get to wear these this fall because in Memphis it gets pretty cold. I'm no longer in Cali, but I probably won't get to wear these until the spring, but I may throw them on during this fall, even though we're not really going anywhere. These are more than just shoes. And obviously I'm going through nothing big and fancy this time as far as the unboxing goes. This is going to be an in-store. Oh, wow, look at this. Personalized card. Again, as always, we are a catalyst for change. Our goal is to inspire you to take action and feel empowered to participate in your community in a meaningful way. And then it has the vision and all that information. Chris, these look amazing. We'll see in a second. You will be the talk of the town in them, changing perspectives from me to we. Thanks for your continued support. And that's from the fam. Phone's ringing, so I'm going to take a beat. Okay, so they look amazing. Let's see if they look amazing. I'm unrolling my paper, of course. My paper here that's divided. And here, oh wow. Yeah, these are pretty. Oh, these are pretty. I need to make sure I get up and do a close-up. So it's my size, a size 13. The shoe is called the Westsider. And then this is the Sky colorway. My goodness, this leather is soft. We always talk about this kind of pebble look when we talk about Jordan brand shoes, and we look at quality. These only cost $180, and they were handcrafted in downtown Los Angeles. The laces are leather. This is just a beautiful little simple shoe. Really simple shoes. So I need to get to the close-up. Obviously, I don't have to sit down and do a whole bunch of UPCs and stuff like that, but I will most certainly do an on foot. I'll do a close-up and then I'll switch the camera angle and I'll do an on foot. As you know, right now I'm wearing my COMUNITYmade City Discoveries that I had made custom. These are actually clean, man. So much paper on the inside of it. Men's 13. You know what? Before I start taking all the paper out, let's go directly to the close-up. Let's do the close-up so you guys can see the grain of the leather that's being used on this shoe. All right, so real quick, we want to make sure we get this on foot in. I know my socks aren't on point like they usually are in these kind of on-foot videos, but they're Kohan socks, so they're not that great Kohan. So if COMUNITYmade made socks, then, which I think they do, I probably should have got some socks. They make a tie-dye sock, or they might be outer though. All right, so sitting these down, I'm not sure. I had to knock the box down. I had to stop for a second because I have to take all of the paper out of these so I can do my on foot and the leather laces. I've had shoes that have suede laces, but not leather laces. There's so much paper in this joint. Alright, so I got that one all set. It's going to be an odd thing to have these leather laces, man. So, let's see if I can get these on pretty easily. Oh yeah, those fit perfect too. That's going to stick. That's going to stick. Those laces are going to stick. Man, those actually feel pretty good. Let's hope that you can see that. I'm not sure if you can. I'm going to stop the camera once I get this other shoe on. And my son just pulled up and the lights are shining in my face like it's cops, right? Stretch that out a little bit. This is really soft, supple leather. Really soft. All right, y'all. So I got the shoes on. Here's our on foot. And these are going to get a lot of wear. They feel equally as good as my COMUNITYmade City Discovery Traction. They feel just as good. But the leather laces, man, they look crisp. All right, I wanted to make sure, I know that's not the best angle. Let's start with this angle right here. I wanted you guys to see how soft this leather is. And then I want to move this up so you can see the laces, which are also leather, that white leather. I'm probably going to get to wear these because they're not perforated or anything, so they'll keep the heat in. And then they're lined in leather as well. So it's a leather lined shoe. And I love this heel back here at the back. I love that. Let's see if I can make that better as far as the focus. I know I got my hand right there. Okay, that's better. So you can see the back. The stitch up the back is really kind of cool. And that just brings the shoe together. Remember, this is handcrafted. So that stitch up the back is purposeful. Although it does look like a design element, this is all one piece. So there's no seams on the inside to kind of bother my toes and stuff like that. But I love this little suede piece at the heel to, so it doesn't like irritate my Achilles. It's a good looking shoe, man. Now that's better. I don't want to have too much of a flicker here. But that is a really nice look, man. Let me show you that medial. There's not a whole lot to it. I want to go ahead and get to the on foot so you guys can see it. I'll show you the tongue. Boom. Just wanted to make sure I showed you the tongue and then the interior of the shoe with the community made. But that's it.